Parking job on point.
I got some of that. Dude, that's like a Goop's dead. You okay?
3RS? Yeah, it's close to 200.
Goop.
Look, there's another Goop.
Look at that Goop.
Just kidding. It's spray painted gray.
What thank you.
Okay. Cookies go great with monster drinks.
She said K.
Not for me, I'm almost out.
Oh god, here this guy goes. Oh god, we're about to get run over here.
Andy. He's gonna stall.
Oh, like, dude, that color though. What is this price?
Plastic. A Miata engine. Channel where we just wait, dude, that's Mikey.
Boosted boys.
Dude, Mikey has the same
It's Kyle here. I'm just gonna take apart my 700 horsepower Honda Civic and look over there. There's like so many spots over there, but they're parking at the bank. Like there's a GTR, a Porsche, a Focus RS, and a Ferrari over there.
There's so many Porsches. Why would you even park this Ferrari like that? Dude, there's never any.
Yeah, he just left it up at the bank.
It's like, what the heck? It's like,
I bet that bank. Look at it, but I don't want banks. Like, I wish these people were. Like, seriously, where's all the
Maybe they are. Where's all the Z's?
Yeah, there's no Z's. I don't think I've ever seen a Z at Katie's. Have you guys? Yeah.
It's Roxanne.
It's an 86.
What is that?
86.
On the highway and everything.
Sounds like a nice fun camp.
Making them gains.
Making gains. Oh, a nice Tokyo drift. Yeah. Tokyo drift with this guardrail. Oh my god.
Triggered. Oh, the tunnel. Oh, you went the wrong way.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I said set up like
You went
that.
you're supposed to go that way.
There's a U-turn spot.
Well, there's a tunnel anyways.
Turn around at McDonald's. We're gonna hit the tunnel.
You gotta hit the tunnel spot real quick.
Hey. Damn. I'm gonna get like.
So we just got back from Lowe's here. Yeah, open the windows. It's getting musty in here. And we're gonna wash our cars, so we just got this vehicle and boat soap. And we got.
Let me whip the slung out.
Got one of these things to put soap on. And we also got. What is this?
the Easy Rider knob.
Gonna put that on, do some autocross with it later. We open it now.
Watch it not fit.
Nah, it's gonna
It says
fits all.
universal fit.
Yeah. Does it come with like tools or something? Okay, there's like the junk for this.
So
It comes with a tool.
yes,
We can put it on.
we got it. Okay, so it comes with. Not sure what these are. These look like the little adapter things for it or something. And here it is. Oh my gosh. This may be the dumbest. It won't focus. The dumbest idea we've ever had.
Where are you gonna put it on the left side? I'm guessing.
Yeah. What? Put it right on the top. No, put it right
Like
here.
right here, there.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see.
Does it tighten?
You're
You might need these things, dude.
You're supposed to go like this,
Oh my gosh,
not like
you
this.
can't use like the top part because like it like hits right there.
Yeah. You need to
You
use-
like do it like this, it's so slow to keep like.
No. Just pulled up in the Challenger, probably.
Thread in. Where'd I put the tool? Right there.
Where's the box? Can I see this?
Oh no, it didn't thread. There's the thing.
Yeah, it says in assembly.
It's trying to.
Oh, look at this.
I don't want
It's
it to
torn up,
print.
but for off-road use only.
I don't want it to print though. That's the thing.
We're going
Did you
off-roading.
get pulled over for that?
Probably. Is it not fitting?
Nah, we'll have to try it on the Z. It's like just
Because
like,
mine's definitely
yeah.
thicker than that.
like it's just off like where I can't like thread it.
I'm gonna have to return it.